The length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters longer than its width. So we have a rectangle, and it doesn't matter what we label as length and what we label as width, as long as we label that the length is 3 centimeters longer than the width. So in essence, we're saying length and width are the same, except that this has 3 additional units of length. So they're not equal unless we add 3 over to here to this side. So length is equal to width plus 3. So if we were to label this, we could say this being length and this being width, or we could label them both in terms of W. So this is just an expression here. W plus 3 is a way to express length in terms of W. So we could say W plus 3 here. Now it's asking for the perimeter. It's saying that the perimeter is 54 centimeters. Well, we know that the perimeter is just side plus side plus side plus side. So we want to add up all the sides. Well, we could either have length plus width plus length plus width, which does us nothing. That equals 2 length plus 2 width. Except now we have 2 variables and can't easily solve unless we had a second equation. But we can represent L in terms of W. So this 54 centimeters, we know that the relationship here, length is equal to the width plus 3, because the length is 3 centimeters longer. So we would have to add 3 centimeters for them to be equal. So I can substitute this value of W plus 3 in for length, and then I have 2 times W plus 3 plus 2W. And it's asking to find the length and the width. This allows us to solve for W and then solve for L. So 54 is equal to, we would need to distribute 2W plus 6 plus 2W. And then we combine like terms, 2W and 2W. 54 is equal to 4W plus 6. And then it's just a 2-step process where we would use opposite or inverse operations, subtract 6 from both sides. When we do that, we're going to get 4W is equal to 48. And then finally divide by the coefficient. When we do that, we get W is equal to 12. So if W is equal to 12, we come back up here and look at, well, if W is equal to 12, then length is equal to W plus 3. So our length must equal W plus 3. I'm running off the page here, but length is equal to 12 plus 3, or 15.